Hello friends and welcome back to Easy Solutions. Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing and cleaning, only to find stubborn smells and grime still lingering? Well, today's your lucky day, because I'm about to show you 10 genius sponge tricks that will completely change how you clean your home forever. These hacks are incredibly simple, but they'll help you conquer everything from bad odors and mold to tough limescale and bacteria and all sorts of household appliances. You'll definitely want to stick around until the very end, because our last trick is a game changer that will save you a massive amount of cleaning time. Ready to make your life easier? Let's get started. First up, trick number 1. Banish that musty washing machine odor for good. If your washing machine has a funky smell, the culprit is often the detergent drawer. It might look clean on the surface, but hidden moisture can lead to mold and mildew buildup inside. Here's the fix. Grab 2 brand new dish sponges and carefully peel off the rough, abrasive side. Now, place both of the soft sponge pieces inside your detergent drawer. Take some white vinegar and soak them generously. Just pour it right on top until they're saturated. Close the drawer and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This gives the vinegar time to start working its magic. After 10 minutes, run a short, empty wash cycle. As the machine runs, the vinegar will slowly release from the sponges, cleaning the entire drawer system from the inside out. Once the cycle is finished, open the drawer. You'll be amazed at the difference. No more sticky residue, no hidden mold, and most importantly, no more bad smells. Your washing machine will be fresh and clean. Moving on to trick number 2, how to easily remove bad smells from your refrigerator. Nobody likes opening the fridge to an unpleasant odor. Luckily, there's a super simple deodorizing trick. All you need is a clean, dry sponge and some baking soda. Generously sprinkle baking soda all over one side of the sponge. Then, just place the sponge on a shelf inside your refrigerator, preferably towards the back. The baking soda is a natural absorbent, so it will soak up excess moisture and neutralize any nasty odors from leftover food. For best results, replace the sponge with a fresh one every few weeks. It's a tiny effort that keeps your fridge smelling consistently fresh and clean. Next, we have trick number 3. Make your disposable razors sharp again. Are you throwing away disposable razors after just a few uses? Might be tossing them out too soon? You can actually extend their life and get a few more shaves with this clever sponge hack. Take a dull razor and a dry dish sponge with a rough scour side. Now carefully slide the razor blade upwards against the grain, from the bottom to the top of the rough side of the sponge. Do this about 10 to 15 times. This process helps to realign and smooth out the tiny, microscopic burrs and imperfections on the blade's edge, effectively restoring its sharpness. You'll find your razor works almost like it's brand new again, saving you money in the long run. Time for trick number 4. How to properly clean and disinfect your cleaning tools. It's a bit ironic, but the very sponges, brushes, and scrubbers we use to clean our homes can become breeding grounds for bacteria and mold. Here's how to sanitize them effectively. Gather up your dirty sponges and brushes and place them in a heat-proof bowl. Sprinkle a generous amount of regular table salt over them. Salt will act as a gentle abrasive and has natural antibacterial properties. Now, carefully pour boiling water over everything until the tools are fully submerged. Let them sit in this hot, salty water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. The combination of salt and hot water is a powerful duo that disinfects the surfaces, killing bacteria and fungi. After they've soaked, just rinse them out. Your cleaning tools will be hygienic, odor-free, and ready for their next job. Let's tackle trick number 5. The easiest way to clean your shower glass. Those hard water stains and limescale buildup on shower glass can be a real nightmare to remove, but not with this trick. Take a new sponge and carefully cut a small slit in the side. Now take a dishwasher tablet and insert it snugly inside the sponge. Next, wet the sponge under running water to get it nice and sudsy. Start cleaning your shower glass using circular motions. As you scrub, the dishwasher tablet will slowly dissolve, releasing powerful cleaning agents that cut right through limescale, soap scum, and hard water residue. After you've scrubbed the entire surface, give it a good rinse with water. You'll be left with sparkling, crystal clear glass. The best part? This clean can last for up to 2 weeks, keeping your shower looking pristine with less effort. On to trick number 6, a DIY long-reach cleaning tool. Tired of bending down or straining to reach tricky spots?
Ow.
Let's make a handy tool. You'll need an old sock, a sponge, and a broomstick. Just put the sponge inside the sock and then slide the sock over the end of your broomstick. You can secure it with a rubber band if you need to. Now, let's mix a simple, all-purpose cleaning solution. In a spray bottle, combine half a cup of white vinegar, a few drops of dish soap, and 1 spoonful of salt. Shake it well. Spray this mixture directly onto the sponge on your broomstick. Now you have a long-handled scrubber that can easily clean under tables, behind cabinets, along baseboards, and even reach up to ceiling corners. To get rid of cobwebs, all without you having to bend over or climb on a chair, let's look at trick number 7. How to clean the inside of your shower hose. Over time, limescale and gunk can build up inside your shower hose, reducing water pressure and performance. Here's a brilliant way to clean it from the inside out. Cut a small, thin piece of sponge, just small enough to fit inside the hose opening. Now, soak this little piece of sponge in white vinegar. Disconnect your shower head from the hose and carefully insert the vinegar-soaked sponge into the open end of the hose. Reattach the shower head. The next time you turn on the water, the pressure will force the sponge to travel all the way through the hose. As it moves, it will scrub the inner walls, dislodging dirt, mineral deposits, and limescale. It's like a deep clean for your shower's plumbing, keeping your system working perfectly. Now for trick number 8, a deep clean for your shower head. If your shower head is sputtering or has weak flow, it's likely clogged with mineral deposits. Here's how to fix it. First, try to add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda directly into the shower head's water inlet, where it connects to the pipe, and pour in a little bit of vinegar. You'll see a fizzing reaction. To take it a step further, place the entire shower head in a plastic bag filled with white vinegar, making sure all the nozzles are submerged. Secure the bag with a rubber band and let it soak for about 30 minutes. The chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar will dissolve all the stubborn limescale. After soaking, just give it a good rinse and reattach it. Your shower will have strong, even pressure, just like new. Get ready for trick number 9, a DIY sponge dishwashing glove. This turns your own hand into a powerful, flexible cleaning tool. Take a standard rubber glove and the rough scourer pads from a couple of sponges. Cut the rough pads into small strips, about the size of your fingertips. Using a strong waterproof adhesive like superglue, attach these strips onto the fingers of the glove. For extra cleaning power, you can cut a circle from the soft part of a sponge and glue it to the palm area. Let it dry completely. Now when you wash dishes, your hand becomes a versatile scrubber. The fingertips can get into every nook and cranny of cups and glasses, while the palm sponge is great for larger surfaces on pots and pans. It gives you incredible control and cleaning power. And finally, we've arrived at trick number 10, the long-lasting kitchen cleaning hack that will save you so much time. This is my absolute favorite. Take a standard 2-sided sponge and carefully separate the rough green layer from the soft yellow layer. You can usually just peel them apart. Now, take the rough part and cut it into several smaller, more manageable strips. These little strips are incredibly effective for tackling tough, concentrated messes. Use them for scrubbing burnt food off a pan, cleaning grease from your stovetop, or getting grime off your oven racks. Because they're small and firm, they give you more focused scrubbing power. It's making those difficult jobs much faster and easier. You'll get so much more life and use out of a single sponge this way. So there you have it. 10 simple but incredibly useful sponge hacks that will make your everyday cleaning tasks so much easier. I really hope you give them a try at home, because I know you'll notice a huge difference. If you found this video helpful and learned something new today, please show your support by hitting that like button. And do not forget to subscribe to Easy Solutions and ring the bell so you never miss out on our smart home solutions. Sharing this video with your friends would also be amazing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.